Alrighty, you guys. So I realized in my first video that I did, just like maybe 2 days ago, I didn't really give like a proper introduction because I was like internally dying. Because I just kind of decided I would start recording my makeup videos like poquito a poquito, you feel me? Just little by little. We all start somewhere. I'm not a professional. I just have a passion for makeup. I think it's fun, you know, to whatever mood you're in, you can kind of like do your makeup based off of that, you know, and I'm really into that type of stuff. So I just decided I would give it a go. I would try it out. I do have a lot of people supporting me, and I really do appreciate everyone that takes the time to watch the videos, you know, to give a like, a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. If you share it with your friends, or, you know, just give positive feedback and support a homegirl, you feel me? Because I've been saying I wanted to do this for a very long time, and I've never had like the cojones to do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna grow some cojones, and I'm gonna start doing some videos here and there. So yeah, my name is Gracie. I go by Gigi on my social media, Gigi Chien. So when I was in French class in high school, that's where I got Gigi from. So just the French way of saying Gracie. Chien means bitch, like it's Britney bitch. I wanted to be like it's Gigi bitch, Gigi Chien. Just a girl in the South, here in Georgia, you feel me? Trying to make things happen, and hopefully it works out for me. I appreciate everyone, you know, if you take the time to just watch it, give it a thumbs up, you know, like I would really appreciate it. It would mean a lot to me. So thank you. And if you want to see how you can slay eyeliner, sharp eyeliner, you want to stab your ex with it or something, you can do that. So you can keep on watching. Thank you. Alrighty. So I'm gonna be doing like an eyeliner tutorial, how I go about slaying the wings, you feel me? You gotta slay them, make them so sharp you can cut someone with it, possibly your ex, you feel me? Obviously you need some makeup wipes. These are Neutrogena makeup wipes. My all-time favorite eyeliner, like I live by this. This is my holy grail. I don't like wearing eyeliner if it's not Tarte's Tartiest clay paint liner in the color black. I bought it at Sephora, so when you buy it, the package actually comes included with a little brush. Oh, that was bad. Wait, there we go. You guys, tape, I'm telling you. Tape is your best friend, okay? If you want to slay the wing, you gotta use some tape. Tape is your friend. So we're gonna start, and also, forgot, since you have, you know, well, I have crazy hair, I use little clips, so we're gonna take this back here. That way I can see what I'm doing. It might look a little bit cray-cray, but it's okay. So you're gonna prime your lids, okay? So, oops, okay. You could use like an actual eyeshadow primer, but homie don't have that with her at the moment. So I use the Maybelline FitMe concealer. This is in the color medium, or the shade medium. So you can buy this at Walmart. It's a few bucks, very affordable, and it's the bomb diggity, so you know. So basically after you put that on your lids, you're gonna get a brush. I use the Deluxe Crease brush. This is by Real Techniques, also at Walmart, you feel me? So you're gonna go in and you're just gonna So I use, because after you prime your lids, you have to set your lids. I use the Maybelline FitMe Loose Finishing Powder. This is in medium as well, like that. So FitMe Concealer by Maybelline and the FitMe Loose Finishing Powder. I chihuahuas. Someone is making some intense chile today. Ooh. Okay, so you're just gonna get some product on here. A little goes a long way. You guys don't want to go cray-cray with this, so you're just gonna like poke in there just a little bit. And then what I do is I get like the lid to it, and I'm just gonna tap off the excess. Okay? So after you do that, you're gonna go in and you're gonna set. And basically the reason that you want to prime your lids before you put your eyeliner on is it kind of elongates the time that the product could last on you, because you do get, people get oily, you know, you have your oils. So if you don't prime, you might see that it will like smudge, and like if you get that little crease line sometimes from maybe, you know, fucking blinking. So this just kind of helps prevent that in a way. It does with me anyway, you know what I mean? So once you're all set and prepped, you're going to start, you know, the wings, you feel me? So what I do is, this is just regular Scotch tape. You're gonna get some tape, okay? And you are gonna place it on the back of your hand, because you don't want to, I have like little peach fuzz on my face, so I don't want to like pull the tape off and like feel my hair coming off with it. So I just kind of like to put it on the back of my hand just to like make it not so sticky. You feel me? So once I do that, this is how I line the tape. You want to follow your waterline basically up. So just on the corner right there. So you kind of want to like go upward. Some people, they do it to like their ear, which you could. Feel like that would be a weird wing for me, so I just kind of like go up this way. So I follow my waterline, the corner, and up. Another thing I do is I'll get like the, I'll get a brush, and I will leave like a little gap between the brow and the tape. So just like, I'll put the brush right there, and I'm like, okay, cool, that's good, because I don't want to put the tape to the tail of my eyebrow and have like this wing like up that way. You feel me? Maybe not, but I know what I'm talking about, and I don't want my wing to look like that. So, whoa there. Okay. I apologize about my lighting. We'll have to fix that at a later time. Okay? Okay. So, what you do next is, I will get another piece of tape, and I'm just going to put it on the lid right here. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to squeeze out some product. Not like that though. Not like that. Sweet baby Jesus. Okay, so after you put some product, like I'll just kind of squeeze it on some tape right here, so it kind of looks like that. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get the brush, and I'm just gonna start a little bit, little, poquito, poquito. So once you have product on the brush, the way that I start my eyeliner is I go ahead and I line my lash line. So we'll go ahead and we'll do that. So once you line your lash line, this is where, whoa, okay. So you're gonna start creating your wing. So you're just gonna follow, the tape is there to guide you. So, I mean, it can get messy on the tape, it doesn't matter. So you're just gonna go ahead and you're gonna follow the tape. Like that. I like my wings like that. And I have to, ooh, sweet baby Jesus, someone is making some intense chili, I'm telling you. Okay, so you're gonna, I have to like make a weird face, like look up like this, and you following me? Okay. So after you've kind of like outlined it, you're gonna start filling it in. So bam, there's the wing, okay? You got your wing. You're gonna take off the tape. And that's what we have. So we still have to clean it up. So we're gonna do that next. You could stab someone with this. You feel me? I mean, this is a dangerous weapon. Alrighty. That is set and ready to go. Juno? Okay. So we've done that. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do the other one and pray to God that they come out evenly, because eyebrows and eyeliner are sisters. Keep that in mind. Okay, perfection doesn't exist unless you really like take the time, but one is always going to be off by just a tad bit, but it's okay, you know, just okay. This one is longer, right? Yeah. Chihuahuas, yeah. Okay. We can try and fix that. Okay. There we go. I think I got it. I got it. Okay. Jesus, I don't know what's up with this lighting, dude. Okay, so once you're done with your wing, I also like to wear eyeliner on my waterline. And I use the Marc Jacobs black gel liner, basically the Highliner. You feel me? So yeah, okay. We're just gonna go in with that. Just like that, you feel me? Así merito. Okay, so you're done. And basically, this is the finished look.